Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Now in this video, if you're looking for how you can start or grow business through agricultural sector, this is the best platform for you. Now I'll tell you why. Now this platform is an automated high yield investment program in the sense that in form of investment software web platform where you can manage farming, people that are interested in latest agricultural tech. You can also, if you're looking for people that can invest in your farming business, this is the best platform for you. If you're running projects on farming, this is the best platform for you. Like I said, you can see, you can do farming selection, creation selection. You can do farming investment, farming management, distribution of goods, people to invest, produce your goods and sell. This is a platform that you can use, help you manage everything. But the most important part, investors. Imagine you have a project on a maize or a cassava, you want people to actually invest on that project. You can tell them the duration and they will invest, and return on investment, how many percent they can get, obviously. So you can tell people, sort of people that can also invest, maybe per unit price, maybe you're setting $1,000 per person. So, and the person will be getting at the end of the day, you don't invest 5% of what the person is investing. So this is the platform that can help you meet all of those criteria, meet all of those things, and you can make, huge profit. And for future purpose, of course, your business, your farming business will definitely skyrocket. And if you're looking to, say it for your business, let me know in the comment section. You can contact me via this on the screen, and I'll, help you set it up and it's ready for 8 hours. Now, let's get right to the admin dashboard. Let's see how it looks like. Like I said, it's for agri-tech, people that are interested in agri-tech, that are into agricultural tech, and also people that are looking for their family business to get invested. This is a platform for you to do that. Everything is there. Everything you need is there. Now let's go to the admin dashboard. Let's see how it looks like. Now, let's see why it looks. Now, for the admin dashboard, like I said, everything, how you can set up the investment plan, how you can plan a history on people that have invested, set up the payment system, all the projects you have in hand. For example, maybe you have a project on a cocoa business or cashew business that will be ready in 3 years. You can set those up and people can come to invest in those business because they will expect a return on investment at the end of that 2 years or 3 years. So you set up the total budget cost, you set up the unit price that each individual needs to invest on, and what they will get as return on investment. So areas people can also place order on this, and you can check our transaction commission, withdraw payments, set users, check investors, set payment system. And of course, this can also be set as a SaaS in the sense that people can use this and get you paid at the end of the month. Now, this is easy peasy, like I said. And this software offer features like I said, deposits, withdrawal, investment plans, bonuses, referral commission. Even people can help you refer the website software and they get committed. They get commission on that. So, like I said, if you are passionate about sustainable farming, interested in large agricultural tech, interested in investing in agricultural business, this is the best platform. That is dashboard that can enable you to see everything on the platform, how much you are investing, the plans, the referral, total money you have made, and every other thing. So if you need this done for your business, for your farming business, or you are open to set up an agri-tech, contact me via on the screen. I'll get it done and set up for you for 8 hours, and you can go live to start getting investment from people all over the world. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. And this comes with admin dashboard, user dashboard, and the landing page. So I'll see you in my next video. Drop a comment, like this video, and share this video. Bye bye.